These are dangerous chemicals.
Jeff Hermes often got drenched by firefighting foam in 20 years as an airport first responder. He thinks it caused his prostate cancer in 2016. Now a 54-year-old chief in rural Boone County, Hermes said his life was altered forever by surgeries that helped him recover.
I have friends that I've worked with over the years that are dead from various types of cancer that can all be linked to this chemical.
He's talking about PFOS, a class of fluorinated carbon compounds that were used not only to make firefighting foam, but also Teflon, Scotchgard, and dozens of other consumer products. PFOS compounds are called forever chemicals because they don't break down in nature and they accumulate in the bloodstream over time.
It's in the gear that we wear. It's in the foam that we use to fight certain types of fires and train with on an everyday basis.
Hermes is cheering for Cincinnati attorney Rob Bilott to win a 2018 lawsuit against the makers of forever chemicals, even though he's not directly involved in the litigation.
You know, the class action that we're trying to bring at this point is for appropriate health studies and testing. We're not seeking money or damages for anybody who thinks they've been injured or harmed by these chemicals.
Some fancy environment lawyer down in Cincinnati.
Bilott was made famous by the movie Dark Waters. It portrays his legal win over the chemical giant DuPont, which agreed to a $671 million settlement in 2017 to address pollution near its plant in West Virginia. Bilott now has more than a dozen active lawsuits involving forever chemicals, but he thinks the class action case is particularly relevant in the age of coronavirus.
One of the most significant effects that PFOS can have is decreasing the immune system response. For example, it has been shown to decrease the effectiveness of vaccines in children.
If you've ever wondered if you've been exposed to forever chemicals, the Ohio River provides your answer. The state of Kentucky has been testing water near intake valves by water utilities all up and down the Ohio River. They found contamination as far east as Parkersburg, West Virginia, as far west as Louisville, Kentucky.
We need to know what we're being exposed to. We need to know where those exposures are occurring, just like with the virus. Whether we've been exposed, whether we have it or not. We need to know what chemicals we're being exposed to, if they're in our water, what they're going to do to us.
The I-Team contacted all defendants in Bilott's class action. None agreed to an interview. But a 3M company executive did testify before Congress in September. Senior Vice President Denise Rutherford disputed studies that link the company's firefighting foam to thyroid disease and cancer.
There are a lot of inconsistencies in the data. We accept that there are associations, which are like leads, places that we should continue to look.
Hermes couldn't agree more.
You just want to know the truth. And I feel like we weren't told. We weren't told that this was a hazard when obviously people knew.
Dan Monk, WCPO 9, I-Team.